This video walks you through how to set up custom contact fields in Clio Manage. Begin by opening Clio Manage and signing in to your account if you are not already in the workspace. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left sidebar and select Settings. This opens the area where account level options and record setup tools are managed. Inside Settings, click Custom Fields. This section is where you can create additional fields for different record types in Clio Manage. When the Custom Fields page opens, choose the Contact Custom Fields tab. Make sure you are on the Contact tab before creating the field, so the new field is attached to contact records rather than another part of the system. Next, click Add Custom Field. A form will appear for the new field setup. In the name box, enter the label you want this custom contact field to use. This should be the name users will recognize when they view or update a contact, so enter it exactly as you want it to appear. After naming the field, select the appropriate field type. Clio Manage provides several options here, including text, date, checkbox, and pick list, along with other available field types in the menu. Choose the one that matches the kind of information you want stored. If the field is meant for written details, use a text option. If it is meant for a calendar value, use a date field. If it should capture a yes or no state, use a checkbox. If users need to choose from preset options, select a pick list. You can also decide how the field behaves on contact records. Check Default if you want this custom field to appear automatically on contacts. This is useful when the field should be available as part of the standard contact layout. Check Required if users must complete the field before saving or updating the contact. Use that option only when the information should always be entered, since it will affect anyone working with those records. Once the name, field type, and any field settings are in place, click Save to create the custom contact field. Clio Manage will add the new field to your Contact Custom Fields list. To start using it, go to Contacts and open a contact record. On the contact page, find the new custom field and enter the relevant information into it. If you mark the field as default, it should already appear on the contact. If the field is required, make sure the information is completed before moving on. Your custom contact field is now created in Clio Manage and ready to use on contact records.